Hello, Health Solutions. How are you today? My name is Katie Velarde, and today we are going to make essential oil rollers for on-the-go goodness. So, I would like to thank you for being here, and I thank you for your interest in learning how to make essential oil rollers. So, there are a couple things to know about essential oil rollers. First, you need actual rollers, and rollers typically have 3 pieces. These are 10 milliliters. That's the most common size roller that you're going to find. There are 5 milliliter rollers and then obviously bigger ones, but again, most common size here for travel, in the purse. I keep one by my daughter's bedside to support her when she gets stuffy. I keep one in my purse to support any head tension I might get throughout the day. And so the roller, you want them to be glass. They sell all kinds, but when using a high quality therapeutic grade essential oil, you want these to be glass so that none of the plastics and things are getting mixed in with those oils. And then there's the topper, okay? And there are, again, plastic roller balls, but I suggest going with one with a metal roller top. And then the lid. So we're gonna be putting these together. I typically find mine on Amazon, and this is a pack of 24 and it has 24 rollers in it. There are different colors. Amber glass and cobalt glass are the most popular. The reason being is there is clear glass, but again, with a good therapeutic grade essential oil, you don't want sunlight hitting it directly because it can change the properties of the oil and defeats the purpose. So this is a tool that will prove very helpful. So when we're putting the top on, you just find the right hole size and pop it on there. And let's pretend we put our oils in and forgot our carrier oil. This handy side right here helps pop the top right off when you need to do a refill or change something. So, second, you want what's called a carrier oil, okay? And there are all different types of carrier oils. So when I'm getting a carrier oil, here's an organic coconut carrier oil. I'm looking for a couple things. I definitely want the oil to be organic because I'm using good quality essential oils, and again, we're using these for healing and wellness purposes, and so we don't need any of that herbicides or pesticides or other junk going on there. So here's the bottle that comes in, and something I'm always looking for is not only organic, but this right here, the non-GMO. So you get a pure, clean, this is an organic fractionated coconut oil. Coconut oil, if you aren't allergic to it, which most people aren't, but if you are, you know, so don't use it, it has a smaller molecule, so it can travel faster and more efficiently through the body. And I love this one particular. This one in particular did come off Amazon, but it's easy because it has that little pump. So these are both organic coconut oil. Grapeseed oil is also a fantastic one. Antioxidant rich for all skin types. So if you're making something for blemishes or skin glow, both grapeseed oil and jojoba oil are my favorites for the skin. Lightweight and fast absorbing jojoba for hair, face, and body. So if you're doing a hair serum with oils, I love the jojoba, and the grapeseed is great for the face. And again, if you're not allergic to nuts, a sweet almond oil is amazing. Almond oil I will use more when I'm making maybe a lavender roller for skin irritations or insect bites, things that are really more topical. I will use a thicker oil, like an almond oil or an olive oil for. So we have talked about our roller and our carrier oil. So today I have 4 oils with me: cedarwood, lavender, frankincense, and tea tree oil. So these 4 oils I'm gonna first make with these cute little eyelashes on this roller bottle. Those were stickers that I found. A really good combination for bedtime is lavender and cedarwood, okay? Lavender helps us relax our body, our mind, it's calming. And cedarwood is an oil that actually when you roll it on, especially right here behind your ears, helps produce natural melatonin. I will roll this on my kids. My kids are 7 and 13. I will roll this behind their ears. I will roll it on my 7-year-old's feet when they're a little bit kind of wound up and it's bedtime. This is a great mixture. So in a 10 milliliter roller, if you're using a high quality 100% pure oil, I usually do anywhere from 15 to 20 drops. So lavender and cedarwood are kind of lighter scents, and so I'm going to do 10 drops of each. 8, 9, and 10. That was the lavender. And then the cedarwood drips a little bit slower than the lavender. If you have any questions at all about making rollers, about carrier oils, about essential oils, please feel free to reach out to me. My email hopefully will be in the details of this video. Otherwise, you can contact Health Solutions and their marketing department can get you my information. You can also find me on Facebook, Katie Velarde, and I'm happy to answer any questions you have. So we now have 10 drops. You probably can't see, but it's about to here in oil. So it's usually about 1/5 of the bottle. And for this one, I am gonna go ahead and use the organic fractionated coconut oil. And you just fill that to the top. You pop the roller on. You give it a little shake. And many people will apply it to their wrists. We talked about behind the ears. I'm not gonna fall asleep during this video. The back of the neck, that notch right where your hair begins, is a really good spot. So now we have a sleep easy roller that quickly. And this will last quite some time. And these bottles of oil right here, these are 15 milliliter Young Living essential oils, and they have 280 to 300 drops in these bottles. And we just use 10 drops of each. So you can see how oil can go a long way. Now, we are going to, in this cobalt blue, make a glow face serum. So I love using essential oils for the skin. They do amazing, amazing things. And this is one of my favorite combinations for that face glow: frankincense, tea tree, and lavender. I am going to use the jojoba oil. And the reason you want to use the oils that are specifically for skin is that they won't clog your pores. Some oils are a little bit thicker and you don't really want to use them for the face. So I'm going to use, I'll do that second, jojoba oil. And I'm going to go ahead and do 7 drops of the lavender, tea tree, and you've probably heard of tea tree for blemishes. It is really an amazing oil to help blemishes when they occur, but also to prevent them and keep the skin clean and purified. And frankincense is just one of those oils for the skin that brings out that beautiful glow. I especially like to use this particular serum underneath my eyes where I can tend to get a little bit of dark circles, which have improved immensely since I started using these. And so this one I'm going to top off with the jojoba oil and make sure I get it to the top there. Pop the roller on, and voila. After I wash my face before bed, I will roll this underneath my eyes. You never ever want to get oils too close to your eyes. Don't be rolling them like where it can get in. I'll just kind of roll it under here and pat it in. And then if you have any blemishes or issues, you can roll it on there as well. And welcome to your glow serum. In fact, I will even sometimes roll this in my hand and then put my moisturizer and then rub it all together and put it on my face. So I hope you've enjoyed how to make essential oil rollers. There are tons of recipes on the internet that you can find. And again, if you have any specific questions, my name is Katie Velarde, and I am with glitterzen, Young Living Essential Oils, and a proud member of the Pueblo community.